pansit namin dito.
Yung Graham mo.
Yung Graham mo, wala na, ubus na.
Ngewet na. Ayun na. Happy birthday, Ninong. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Nagsuot.
Happy birthday, Josh. Enjoy your day and welcome to the family. Malapit na yung kasal and I hope to see you in March. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi, Josh. Happy birthday.
Joe.
Josh, from the moment you came into this world, you brought us so much joy, love, and pride. Watching you grow and become a strong and amazing person makes us all happy and proud. Joe, may this year bring you even more happiness. As we all know, Karaslon Carrion, you have your everlasting joy into your life and also success and unforgettable moments. We are so excited to see all the great things ahead and continue to stay humble, loving, and kind. Enjoy your special day, Joe, to the fullest. We love you.
We love you.
Again, Joe, happy birthday.
Hello. Happy birthday, Nong Josh. You're turning 27 na. That's really close to 30. Short message. Happy birthday. Okay. Really lucky to have you as a cousin. Thank you for being there. I'm really lucky to have your advice, especially in choosing a path sa life ko. Na-record the message. Kay Nong Josh. Sige lang. Yeah, thank you for the advice you give to me, even though not all of it is good. But yeah, thank you.
Happy birthday ng Josh! Happy birthday!
She said,
Happy birthday!
sige, bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi Josh, happy birthday! I'm making up for my parents because they have the sort of message sovereignties. But happy birthday, and I wish you all the best. I wish you happiness and good health, good body, more blessings, of course, and more birthdays to come. So don't forget to send us cake. And I assume you'll be seeing this on your birthday, so make sure to eat a lot. Buwas na lang mag-diet. But yeah, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Josh.
Hey Josh, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best and God bless you always. Stay safe ka palagi. And we're gonna see you soon, bro. Make bawi na lang kami sa lagaw and your gifts if ara na kami. Love you so much. Happy birthday, Liwat.
Hey man, do I look familiar? I got the Steve Jobs impersonation. It's that time of year again, brother. Just keep going, alright? No one's stopping you now. Don't let your dreams be dreams. I don't know what to say, man. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Josh. Enjoy your special day. See you soon. Love you.
Okay, I kiss you. I kiss daddy for you. Happy birthday, Nak. See you soon. God bless you, Anak. Enjoy.
Love you, Josh.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday.